Okay, I'll just show you how to set the sat nav in this 2014 Volvo V70. So all the buttons on here, at the moment it's on audio streaming, click nav. There you go, that's showing the map. If I click OK, it then brings up the menu for setting the destination. Turn the rotary control to set destination, and then address, points of interest. We want address, click OK. And now you've got city, select street. So if I go to select city, that's brought up, you'll see there, look, it's brought up if you just want to do the city, you use that like so to select the letter. But we want postcode. So what we need to do is just highlight postcode there, click OK. Now, if I go to, we're Grosvenor Garage, Blackburn Road, High Walton, Preston, PR. We now need numbers. So it's defaulted to numbers there. So I'll click numbers and then back here to 5. Might need a space, but 4, no it's not. And come back to ABC, click ABC. Where's E? E. A. Grosvenor Garage, Blackburn Road, High Walton, Preston, PR5 4EA. That's come up, so I click OK. Set single destination, yes. And you can choose those routes. It's saying 150 yards, route 2, but we'll go for route 1, even though
Please proceed to the highlighted route.
We're sat on the forecourt. That's how you do it. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.